stay ko doon at ang dami ko pong natutunan. So, sa tingin ko po, opo. Lalo na po kung makakasama ko rin po yung mga old friends ko, yung mga old ex-housemates. So, yes po, gagawin ko po rin. Pero siguro yung thing na gagawin ko is mas enjoyin po talaga. Kasi kahit na po nabigyan na kami ng advice na enjoyin lang yung stay doon, ang hirap po na i-keep up lang po yung ganung mindset. So, next time po, if ever na mag-join po ulit ako, mas paninindigan ko po yung enjoyin ko lang talaga at wag iisipin po yung kung ano man yung nangyayari po sa labas para masulit po yung stay po sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
That's really understandable because it's a competition at the end of the day. But yeah, it's important for you to enjoy the moment, enjoy the presence. Of course, Princess?
Well, honestly, for me, syempre po, sobrang magandang opportunity po yun if you were given a chance to go back. But honestly, okay na ako. Parang kasi what made my journey special sa PBB is para sa akin, I only get to do that. Parang once in a lifetime opportunity lang siya. So, para sa akin, okay na din yun. And I'm very grateful sa mga lahat ng na-experience, natutunan, and sa mga taong na-meet ko sa bahay na yun. So, I feel like yung chapter na yun, okay na yun. Sa akin.
Okay na si Princess.
Okay na.
Alright, next chapter na tayo. Alright, how about you, Caprice?
Kung may chance po na bumalik sa bahay ni Kuya, gusto ko po, kahit as a housemate or house guest, gusto ko po talaga na matry ulit yun. Kasi once in a lifetime experience lang po siya. So para may experience po yun ng 2 beses, why not po? Kaya na-excite po ako at mas i-enjoyin ko po at for sure, lalaki po yung group of friends ko kapag sumali po ako doon.
Twice in a lifetime na.
Yeah.
How about you, Heath? Yan.
Ako po kasi nami-miss ko rin po yung bahay ni Kuya and ayun nga, it would be a great opportunity to go back. So, ayun, ako okay naman po ako na bumalik po sa bahay ni Kuya kasi na-enjoy ko rin po ng sobra yung stay ko doon kasi it was like a big sleepover po with my friends kaya super na-enjoy ko po talaga. And yung, kung bumalik po ako ulit, I'm just gonna do the same thing, just enjoy po, like Ashley said. I'm just gonna enjoy my stay a lot more and not really worry too much about the outside world and just enjoy the entire process.
Enjoy the moment, like they say. Thank you so much for that, Heath. How about you, Clifford?
Ako naman, I wouldn't say no to that opportunity. Siguro ngayon, undecided pa ako, pero when the opportunity comes, siguro doon ko na malalaman yung decision ko. And lalo na ngayon na magkakaroon ng bagong bahay si Kuya, so syempre, sobrang exciting, it's a new experience. And ayun, I wouldn't say no to that.
What would you do differently if ever?
Siguro I would be less scared kasi may times na natakot ako kay Kuya. So siguro mas maging vocal lang ako.
A braver side of Clifford. Abang-abangan natin yan. How about you, Marco?
Honestly, I don't really know pa sa ngayon. So, at this point, I'll leave it to God kung ano bang mangyayari. But for me, I'm just gonna be open to whatever opportunity na ibigay sa akin at kung naaayon ba yun sa path na gusto ni Lord para sa akin. And siguro, yun nga, dahil magkakaroon ng bagong bahay, it's gonna be a new kind of experience. And I would be thrilled to try it at least one more time. And with different set of housemates naman kasi I believe na magkakaroon naman kami ng different dynamics kapag napapasok ulit ako as a housemate. Pero ayun, siguro something that I would change. Honestly, wala talaga kasi by that time it's gonna be a different timeline na. So by that time may mga bagay na rin ako natutunan at kasi I believe that there's always room for improvement. So I'll always see it as that na the reason kung bakit ako makakabalik man, kung magkakaroon ng All-Star, is because meron pa akong kailangan i-discover sa sarili ko at isasama ko yung mga housemates at yung mga taong nanonood sa journey ko na yan.
So Marco's going to leave it to fate and destiny.
Yes, sir.
Aabangan namin yan.
Amen.
How about you, Lee?
Well, the idea of PBB All-Stars, honestly, saya na nun eh. So, parang di ko natatanggihan pa. Like, go na ako dyan, honestly. And you know, kung ano pa ba gagawin kong pagbabago, honestly, kung anong Lee Victor nakita nyo nung Collab 2.0, yun pa rin na Lee Victor na makikita nyo. Pero, since I know what to do or how the game is played now, siguro low cortisol version naman ni Lee Victor. Ang
Sample
makikita
na,
nyo.
sample.
Basta yun. Tas there was a common thing everybody said and is to have fun. meron kami isang house guest nung Collab 2.0, si Kuya Ruru. Lagi niyang remind sa amin na parang, don't treat it as a competition, just have fun all throughout your stay. Kasi yun nga, the PBB experience, di mo na yung mababalikan eh. Kaya siguro yun, to have fun all the time. And siguro to have more deep talks with one housemate to another. Kasi parang di ko ata masyadong nagawa yun nung Collab 2. Like to have like serious deep talks with all of the housemates. So kung bibigyan ng opportunity ulit, let's go for it. Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much for that, Lee. Enjoy every moment kasi once in a lifetime na makapasok sa bahay ni Kuya. And guys, that actually wraps up our Q&A portion. I told you, kaya niyo to. 100 over 10. Ang galing ng ating housemates. But before we move on to the next part of the program, I'd like to, of course, invite all of you to promote whatever's going on, your upcoming projects, your socials, for